Hi, Timothy Unkert here. In this video, we're going to create a program where we find the ASCII value of a character that the user enters. So first, we're going to create our main function, okay? And we're going to say that character underscore user, we're going to declare that. And then we're going to say something like printf, please enter a character on the keyboard and press enter. Okay. All right. And then we're going to say the user character. That's going to equal the Getchar function. Okay. And then we're going to print f and say the character you entered. And we're going to use the integer. We're going to pass it in as an integer. The character you entered has an ASCII value of, and we'll do %d, and then put a period and a /n for formatting. And then we'll return 0 at the end of this function. Okay, so it's going to take in a character type, but it's going to output the ASCII value because we're passing it as an integer. And we actually, let me not forget that we actually have to specify the variable as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do is compile this as find ASCII value. Okay, and then let's run it. Please enter a character and press enter. I'm going to press this character. I should get 41. Okay, so the character you entered has an ASCII value of 41. We could run it again. Press E, and that character has an ASCII value of 101. So that's how you create a simple program where you can figure out the ASCII value of any character that you enter in on the keyboard. I hope you found this interesting. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications if you haven't done so already. I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.